Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to find lock orientation icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that auto rotation is on. But you can also go into settings and choose display. Then scroll down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!